Hello students, now I am going to start question number 8 of exercise 3.1. Now question number 8 says the rainfall in a city on 7 days of a certain week was recorded as follows. So rainfall is given in mm. Mm is the unit. So always we measure rainfall in mm. Now here amount of rainfall in a particular week is given, like here Monday 0.0 mm rainfall, Tuesday 12.2, Wednesday 2.1 mm, Thursday 0.0 mm, Friday 20.5 mm, Saturday 5.5 mm and Sunday 1.0 mm. So we have three parts here. In the first part we have find the range of the rainfall in the above data. Now range means highest value minus lowest value. Okay, so here highest is 0, 12, 2, 0, 25, 1. So 20 is the highest, so we'll take 20.5 mm minus 0.0. 0.0 is the lowest value. Okay, so what will be the range? If we subtract 0 from any number, we get the same number. So it's 20.5 mm. Okay. Now in the next part we have find the mean rainfall of the week. So we will find the mean rainfall. So at first we will write the formula for finding mean. So it's sum of all observations divided by the number of observations. Okay, so we will add all this. So 0.0 plus 12.2, next we have 2.1, then we have 0.0, then 20.5, then 5.5 and at last we have 1.0. Now divided by the number of observation. Now instead of counting all the numbers, here it is given already that it is the amount of rainfall on 7 particular days, right? So it will be divided by 7. Now let's add this all. So 0.0, then we have 12.2. Now how we will write 12.2? Below point we will write the point. Okay, so 12.2, then 2.1, then 0.0, then 20.5. So we will always put the decimal below the decimal. Okay, then we have 5.5 and at last we have 1.0. So let's add this all. So 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, 3, 1 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 carry. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Now at last we will put the decimal. So it's 41.3 divided by 7. So now we need to divide this. So when you will divide by 7, see 4 7s are 28, 4 7s are 28, 7 5s are 35, then 7 6 are 42, which is greater than 41. So we cannot take 6 here. So we will take 5. So 7 5s are 35. Now 11 minus 5 is 6, 4 will be 3, 3 minus 3 0. Now point will be shifted to the quotient and then 3 will come down. So 7 9s are 63. So what we have got, when you will divide this 2, we will get 5.9 mm. So 5.9 is the mean rainfall. Okay. Now in the last part we have on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall. Now mean rainfall is 5.9 mm. Okay. Now we have to find that how many days the rainfall was less than 5.9. So let us count. So it's on Monday, right? Now on Tuesday we have 12 and we have got 5 here, so it cannot be more, because the question is on how many days rainfall was less than the mean rainfall. So we will have to find the number which is less than 5.9. Okay, so we have got on Monday, so Tuesday it cannot be, then again it is on Wednesday, then on Thursday also it is less. Okay, then after Thursday, Friday cannot be because 20 is greater than 5. Okay, so after this we have 5.5 on Saturday, and here we have got 5.9. That means 5.5 is less than 5.9. So we'll write Saturday also, and on Sunday is 1.0. 1.0 is also less than 5.9. So we'll write Sunday also. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on how many days was rainfall less than the mean rainfall? It's 5. So the right 5 days rainfall was less than the mean rainfall. Okay. So this was all about question number 8. Now coming to next question. Now question number 9 says the height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the results are as follows. So these are the height of 10 girls, okay, and these heights are given in centimeter. Now we will have to find that what is the height of the tallest girl. So here, see, this is the height of the first girl, then this is the height of the second one, then again this is the height of the third one. Like this, the height of 10 girls is given. So to find who is the tallest girl out there, we need to check that which number is the largest. So here 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, and then 146, 149, 143, and then 141. So 151 is the highest. Okay, this is the largest number. So the height of the tallest girl will be 151 centimeter. Okay. Now coming to next part. Now in the next part we have what is the height of the shortest girl. Now to find the height of the shortest girl, we need to check which number is the smallest. So here 150, 139, 128, and then 151, 132, 146, 149, 143, 141. So 128 is the smallest value. So the height of the shortest girl is 128 centimeter. Okay, now coming to third part. Now in the third part we have what is the range of the data. Now range means the difference between the highest value and lowest value. So here in the previous part we have already got the highest value and lowest value, right? So we'll just find the difference of these two to get the range. So it's 151 minus 128 cm. So it will be 11 minus 8 is 3, 5 will be 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. So it's 23 centimeter. Okay. Now coming to fourth part. Now in the fourth part we need to find the mean height of the girls. Okay. So mean height, how to find? So the formula for finding mean is sum of observations divided by the number of observations. So sum of observation means whatever data will be given to us, you will just find the sum of this all and divide it by the number of observation. Means whatever be the number of data, just count the number of data to get the number of observation. So here we will write all the value which is given to us. So it's 135, then 150, then 139, then 128, 151, plus 132, 146, 149, then 149 plus 143 and 141. Now we will divide by the number of the observation. Now instead of counting this all, here it is already given 10. So it will be divided by 10. Okay. So find the sum of this all and then divide by 10 to get the mean. So it's 135 plus 150 plus 139 plus 128 plus 151 plus 132 plus 146 plus 149 plus 143 and 141. So add this all. So 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 8 is 22, then 23, 25, 31, 40, 43, 44. 4, 4 carry, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 plus 2, 17, then 22, then 25, 29, 33, 37, then 37 plus 4 is 41, 1, 4 carry, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's 1, 4, 1, 4 divided by 10. Now we know that it is easier to divide by 10 as 0 is there in the denominator. So we will just write the same value, only after decimal we will keep one digit, as there is 1 0. So we'll just keep one digit here. So it's 141.4 cm. Okay, so this is the mean height. Now in the last part we have how many girls have heights more than the mean height. Now mean height is 141.4 centimeter. This is the mean height. So we need to find how many girls have more than this value, more than the mean height. So let us check how many have got more than 141.4. Okay, so it's this one. So it's 1. Then 141.4 means this one. It cannot be because it is 139, which is less than 141. Similarly, we cannot take 139 also. Okay, 139 and 128 we cannot take because it is less than 141.4, right? So after this it's 151. Then 132 also we cannot take, which is less than 141. Then we will take 146. Okay, after 146 we can take 149. Then we can take 143 also, because these numbers are greater than 141. Okay, and lastly we have 141, and here we have 141.4. So we cannot take this value because this is less than 141.4, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 girls have height more than the mean height. So we will write 5 girls have height more than the mean height. Okay, so this was the last part of question number 9, and this was the last question of this exercise. If you have any doubt, any queries, leave a comment below. Okay, thank you students.